Okay, let's see how the product from the job sheet are converted into the PO. Okay, so considering this job sheet action, update job sheet. So here we can see there is three items. Okay, so here there is a tab which says raise PO. So if you want to raise PO for this particular product, you can click on this. By default, it is always clicked. If you don't want this product, you can just untick the item. So whichever item you want to raise a PO, so you just tick the item and you raise a PO. So you, under expenses, you can go to purchase indent after saving the job sheet. So if when you come to the purchase indent, you can see there are three items here. One is the miscellaneous, the second one is the ECU motherboard, and the third is again the miscellaneous. So from here, you can convert this into a purchase order or a supplier invoice. It's up to you. So you can choose which product you want to convert. The rest you can just leave it. Okay, thank you.